Hey, welcome back to Grandpa KC. We got a great show. We're going to be doing a simple air filter change on the cabin and the air filter on a Hyundai Santa Fe. Uh, it's very simple to do, save you some money on labor, and we'll give you the links and where you can find the air filters. Stay tuned, and let's get to it right away. A Hyundai Santa Fe 2013. Very simple, easy to do, save you some money and labor. Basically, there's two tabs here, and what you're going to do is you're going to basically lift up here and spread this apart so you can get out the filter. And you're just going to basically slip it in.
Let's close this up and over, like so.
As you can see, it's easy peasy. Now the next part of this is very simple. We're going to change the cabin filter. The cabin filter should be changed, they say, every 12,000 miles. Recommendation from my personal experience as a grandpa is that the cabin filter should be changed just before, after spring and before the beginning of the summer months. And the reason is because of all the pollen and all the junk that's in the air during spring gets into the cabin filter and it tends to clog it, reducing the efficiency of your air conditioning in summertime. In fact, if you're finding that your air conditioning is blowing but it's just not as cold, it most likely is just simply changing the cabin filter, which is very inexpensive to do and easy, and we're going to go through that right now.